Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video. Today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the Icon locking ratchet and bit set, so stay tuned. So here's a little set. Got your ratchet, extension, have all these bits. You got some security torque, some Torx, some slotted, some Allen, both metric and standard, and you also have Phillips, and then you also have this adapter so that you can put 1/4 inch sockets on that. So this is a nice compact case, nicely rubberized black coating on there. You can easily fit it in your pocket or in a backpack or small bag. So here is the ratchet, forward and reverse, and there's this button right here. You press it and then release it and it'll lock. So it has a bunch of different positions. Then the extension, either have it like this or flip it around. And you have more, so you can have some leverage there. Or on the back side, put it right there. You can get into tighter spots or harder to reach spots, or you can even use this, get a little bit more leverage that way as well. Now I've had this since I believe it was around Christmas time I bought this, and I've used it a few times, but I really started using this when I was putting together my office/game room. With this, I put together this table right here, and I also put together that TV stand. I also put this end table together along with the other one. There is also a bookcase off to the side, and the day bed that I just use as a couch. So I did use some power, I did use an impact driver at certain times, but the majority of the time it was just this right here. And I will show you an example of one spot that this was pretty much the only tool that I had that would work in it. So here's where I store all of my controllers and remotes. And there are these 2 screws back there. Now with my regular screwdriver that I have, there's just not enough room. Even this right here, this is just barely enough room to get to it. So what I ended up doing, putting the bit in there, the extension right there, and I was able to get a lot more leverage on it to tighten it better. Another thing to note that I just noticed is, see that dot right there? There's also one right there. Now, on this extension, there's a little notch. Let's see if it'll focus. Right there. So you line that notch up with that white dot, and that's how you can pass it all the way through. Because if not, say you have that line up top, it's not going to go. And on this side, have the notch up top, it'll only go in that far. So again, pretty cool. So again, this is the locking flex head ratchet and bit set by Icon. You can find it at Harbor Freight. Right now it is going for $39.99 and it's an in-store only item. So if you want one of these, I'd probably get it soon, because at least when I got it, it was very hard to find. Had to keep going back every week, and most of the time they did not have it in stock. Not sure if it's still like that, but it's definitely worth 40 bucks. So on a side note, I do have another YouTube channel, which I will put down in the description below, where I do a lot of gaming. I do reviews on movies and video games. I'm going to be doing podcasts soon. And then once I hit, I think, 50 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so be on the lookout for that. Also, check out my brother's YouTube channel, Basic DIY Guy. Link will be down in the description for that as well. He has 40-something subscribers by the time that I am posting this channel, so go ahead, check that channel out as well, and make sure to like and subscribe. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.